In this guide, we're going over how you can move objects freely in The Sims 4. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you do need to open up the cheat console. If you're on PC, go ahead and press Control Shift and C, and this will go ahead and open up that cheat console up in the top left. If you're on console, press all 4 trigger buttons at the exact same time. So that means L1 and L2 plus R1 and R2 on PlayStation, or LB and LT and RB and RT on Xbox. Once the cheat console does appear up in the top left corner, go ahead and type in testing cheats and then go ahead and do true right after that, and obviously don't do a space in between testing and cheats, but type in testing cheats true and it'll say cheats enabled. And then from here you have to type in bb.moveobjects, spelled exactly like this, and then turn on, spelled like that. Hit enter. It's going to say moved objects cheat is on, and now you can grab these individual objects and move them however you would like. If you're on PC, you do have to press and hold down on the alt button, and then you could go ahead and grab whatever object it might be. If you're on controller, you do have to press L2 to cycle through the movement modes until you reach free placement mode. As soon as you do that, you're good to go. But that's really all there is to it. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.